Opo. Ibabasahin na po namin, ma'am, yung order na naka-arrest naman po. Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ito, ma'am, isa po ulit
Just a
tayo.
moment, just a moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Do I need my lawyers to be present?
Hindi naman po, ma'am. Hindi
No,
naman
I
po.
really
This
like my
time.
lawyers to be present.
Opo. Ma'am, hindi po muna ngayon. Kasi, ma'am.
Who are you
doon-
transferring me now?
Yes po, ma'am.
No, I really want my lawyers to be present.
Attorney, ang order ng committee ng House is
Yes.
to transfer you immediately.
I understand that,
Yes, yes.
but I really like my lawyers to be present.
Can we arrange that while on transit?
No, I really like my lawyers to be present.
Kasi
Ma'am, we can arrange that naman, ma'am, for you. Pero, ma'am, let
Can we
us...
call them now?
No, ma'am, let us implement this first, ma'am. Because
No,
we are
I need my
under...
lawyers to be present now. Please, please. I need my lawyers to be present.
Ma'am, not here po. Opo.
I am serving my detention in good faith.
Opo.
Please know that.
Opo.
From the US, I came back. I sat there and I answered the questions. So, I would like my lawyers to be present.
Ma'am, are your lawyers around?
We are going to call them.
Ma'am, but we are ordered to
I want my
implement this
lawyers to be
immediately.
present. Ma'am, please.
Opo. So,
Please
are we to
understand.
also?
kasi ang ano sa
Wala akong problema,
Yes, yes.
sir. But I need my lawyers to be present.
Before we can effect this, ma'am.
I need
Because
my lawyers. No, let them come with me. Or at least masabihan ko sila.
Ma'am, safe naman po kayo with us. Opo.
It is not that. Wala akong issue about that. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, ma'am, may lawyer naman po kami dito.
I am not going
Okay.
anywhere. Just
Opo.
leave the room now. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, we'll check muna po sa aming committee.
Walang problema. Leave the room now. I just want my lawyers to be present. Narinig niyo yan lahat, ha?
Opo, opo.
I want my lawyers to be present. Please leave the room now.
Paki-inform mo na sa
Leave the room now.
Ah,
You can stay there. Walang problema. Nicole, leave the room now.
Opo.
Please just leave the room now.
Ma'am, wait lang po. Maghintay lang po muna kami ng instruction. Kung ano naman po yung instruction nila.
Leave the room now. Oh, it's okay. Please just go out. Leave the room now.
For the years 2022.
Ako po yung lawyer niya ngayon.
Ma'am, no, we're just reading po the order. Opo.
Ako po yung lawyer niya ngayon.
Yes, ma'am. Opo.
Kasi this is a detention center.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Opo. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, may space kayo para dito sa kanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Diba?
Opo. Ma'am, let us just comply because we are mandated to read this order. We will just simply read it to ma'am. Yes po. Ma'am, no, I think that's a different one, ma'am. That's, yes, ma'am, but before I give you the copy, ma'am, will you please allow me to read it? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, may I continue? Into the utilization of public funds, particularly the budget appropriated to the office of the President, Vice President, I mean, for the years 2022,
Pagpunta niyo po rito?
is your support to the BP and their support staff.
Nakausap niyo na po.
Nakausap ko.
Kamusta po sila? Ano pong sabi sa inyo? Ano pong napag-usapan niyo, sir?
Yun lang, worried lang siya sa sitwasyon niya. Worried lang siya.
Dahil,
Hindi siya sigurado. She's not sure of what will happen to her.
kanina po.
See, like that.
Kayo, sir, anong thoughts niyo sa mga nangyayaring ito?
Para sa akin, it's a very,
Is this appropriate? Tingin niyo?
very unfortunate. Dahil yung tao na hindi pa man lang nagiging accused, no? Hindi pa na-file ng kaso. Kung i-treat mo parang convictado na dadalhin mo sa Women's Correctional. Women's Correctional facilities is a place for convicted criminals. I've been the Director General of UPOR at alam ko kung anong sitwasyon dyan sa loob. Yan ay tulungan yan ng mga serving sentence, convicted felons serving sentence. Bakit mo ikulong doon yung isang babae, isang abogado na pinatawan lang ng citation for contempt? Ngayon, dadalhin mo na doon sa facility for the convicted criminals? It's very, very unjustified para sa akin. Very unjustified. Magpakuntip-kuntip kayo ng tao, tapos hindi nyo kayang bantayan dyan sa inyong facility. Yan, magkayong facility for contempt persons, di ba? For persons cited in contempt, you should have your own facility dyan sa Kongreso para bantayan ninyo. Bakit nyo dalhin doon? Okay lang sana kung doon dalhin sa Quezon City Police District detention, mga gano'n. Pero yung detention cell ng mga criminal, ay ng mga convicted criminals, that's the worst. That's the worst for me na ikulong mo isang taong cited in contempt lang.
Alam na ba to ni former President Duterte? Nakausap niyo na ba siya? Tingin niyo, aware na siya dito?
Ay, doon to. Wala pa kami kontak kasi kagabi pa ako, galing akong Baguio, natutulog ko sa Baguio, noong alas 2. Ginising ako, tinawagan ako na humihingi ng tulong si DP Inday Sara sa sitwasyon nila doon sa
House.
house. Kaya bumaba agad ako, bumiyahe agad ako dito from Baguio
Mm.
para matingnan lang kung anong sitwasyon nila.
As a senator, may magagawa po ba kayong anything to help yung sa klono ni VP Sara?
Well, pag-aralan natin, dito sa we observe, even though, we observe inter-parliamentary courtesy. Eh, hindi kayo pwede mag-ano sa trabaho nila. Sila rin, hindi pwede mag-ano sa trabaho namin. So, yan ang nabantayan natin. Pero nga lang, nakakomento lang ako na hindi po maganda talaga. Bakit ang isang person na cited in contempt lang sa isang hearing dyan sa House of Representatives ay doon ay kukulong kaagad sa Women's Correction Facility, which is a place for persons or convicted criminals serving sentence. Hindi pa kumbiktado itong tao na ito. Bakit doon mo hindi padala? Hindi pa nga akusado. Wala pang kaso na na-file.
So, sir, you're saying at least adopt?
When you say unlawful, pag-aralan ko pa. I'm not so sure. Pero unreasonable for me. Unreasonable.
Naniniwala po ba kayo na overkill talaga yung kaso na ito?
Walang pulis naman yung sumusunod lang yan sa order. Pag inudinan na ng mga higher ups na pumunta kayo to provide security, wag na natin yung samain yung pulis na sumusunod lang yan sa order.